Okay, today I want to show you this Victron MPPT 100 amp, 100 volt, 50 amp smart controller. The smart controller means it has a Bluetooth connection. And so the first thing you see when you open this up are a couple of little stickers with a unique QR code for this device. You can scan that from the VictronConnect app and get it connected. Otherwise, 100 volts, you do not want to over voltage them, and 50 amps out. So if you are at 12 volts, 50 amps out is 600 watts. And so you can over wattage these a little bit, like go to 700 or 750. And with the shade and whatnot, you'll be closer to that limit. But if it's full direct sun, cool temperatures, and your solar panels are really producing, as long as you're not over voltage, if you're over amperage coming in, it will limit it going out. So that'll be 600 watts at 12 volts, or 1200 watts at 24 volts, or 4800 watts at 48 volts. And these will handle all of those. They're super easy to connect. There's a ground wire right here that you need to connect. And then there's a plus and minus for your photovoltaic panels, your solar panels. The way you connect that is from your panel. You go through a DC breaker that's high voltage breaker, and then in here, so that's where you can turn the whole system off. And then when you come out, your negative goes directly to the battery or your frame, or your negative on your solar system, and the positive needs to go through a fuse which needs to be higher than 50, so a 60 or a 70 amp fuse on your system. So that's basically just the connections. There's a rotary dial here that you can tell it what kind of batteries you're using, whether you're using lead acid or lithium ion or AMG, etc., etc. There's a VE direct connection, which will allow this to connect to a computer if you want to get details off from that, or it'll allow it to daisy chain to other ones so they can keep the charge on the battery equal and kind of talk to each other and understand things like that. There's a bulk absorption and float charging indicators on it, but once again, I really like these with the Bluetooth. I've used them before. There's a little manual that comes with it here when you open it up. It tells you all the details and how to set it, but pretty much even this rotary dial, you can override that with software. So once again, I think Victron is a really good product, and I've had really good luck with them, and I've been testing them and putting in more systems. So if you're on the fence with what to buy for a 700 to 800 watt system at 12 volts, these things are great. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. If you have questions about this, I'm more than happy to answer them. If you want detailed wiring information, those kind of things, I can tell you what wire I chose for what reason.